Welcome back to RV Road Report. Today we've got something absolutely special, the 2025 GMC Hummer Motorhome. Yes, you heard that right. GMC has taken the legendary Hummer DNA and transformed it into a luxury motorhome. Designed in a vibrant white finish, this beast combines ruggedness, futuristic technology, and comfort like never before. So, buckle up, because we're going to take you on a full tour of this rugged long-body machine on 4x4 wheels. Let's dive in. Exterior front view. Starting with the front view, the design is unmistakably Hummer. That bold GMC Hummer logo is proudly standing on the grille, and the powerful stance screams strength and durability. Sharp LED headlights and a muscular bumper make it look aggressive, yet refined. In the showroom, this motorhome immediately grabs attention. It's big, bold, and classy. From the very first glance, you know this isn't just a vehicle, it's a statement on wheels. Topside view. Now let's move to the top side. This isn't just a roof, it's a power station. The motorhome comes fitted with solar panels to keep your batteries charged, an antenna for connectivity, and a neatly integrated AC unit on the outer side. For long journeys and off-grid camping, this setup makes sure you've always got power and comfort. The attention to detail in using the roof space efficiently is absolutely brilliant. Back side view. Turning to the back side, here's where practicality shines. GMC has added an extra tire mounted securely, perfect for emergencies. And for adventure lovers, there's a cycle carrier carefully adjusted at the rear, so you can take your bikes along for trails and quick rides around campgrounds. The back is designed not only to look rugged, but also to offer the utility that RVers truly appreciate. Side view. On the side view, GMC has really thought about outdoor living. You'll see a side tent attachment, giving you an instant sitting and relaxing spot outside the motorhome. Perfect for setting up chairs, enjoying coffee in the morning, or chilling under the stars at night. The long body design blends style and adventure, making it clear this vehicle isn't just for traveling, it's for living the journey. Driving compartment. Now let's step inside and check out the driving compartment. Up front, you've got a futuristic cockpit with a digital dashboard. GMC has equipped it with two LED screens, one for navigation and one dedicated rearview display, so you can always keep an eye on what's happening behind. The seats are plush yet sturdy, built for long drives, and the steering has all the modern controls at your fingertips. It feels more like sitting in a luxury SUV than a traditional RV. Sitting and sleeping area. Right behind the driving space, we move into the sitting and sleeping area. Here, you've got a smart sofa-cum-bed setup that transforms effortlessly. During the day, it's a cozy lounge to relax with friends or family. By night, it converts into a comfortable bed for resting after a long drive. The layout maximizes space without compromising comfort. Everything feels premium and inviting. Kitchen. Next up, the kitchen area, compact but fully functional. It's smartly placed alongside the sitting and sleeping space. You'll find a sleek countertop, a small sink, storage cabinets, and even a portable cooking setup. Whether you're making a quick snack or cooking a proper meal, everything is within reach. The balance of design here shows that GMC has kept practical RV life in mind. Washroom. And yes, even with this long body design, GMC has managed to include a washroom. It's compact but well organized. There's a small toilet, a functional sink, and careful use of space so it doesn't feel cramped. For travelers, this is a game changer because it means true independence on the road, no need to rely on outside stops. So there you have it, folks, the 2025 GMC Hummer Motorhome. Rugged from the outside, luxurious on the inside, and ready for any adventure you can imagine. This vibrant white beauty with 4x4 wheels and a long body design comes with a price tag of $179,000. If you're looking for power, style, and comfort all in one package, this motorhome ticks every box. What do you think? Would you take it on your next big road trip? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget, force them to like, share, subscribe, and comment.